Namaskar, welcome to Daily Weather Briefing of India Meteorological Department. Yesterday, the maximum temperature was reported in the range of 42 to 44 degrees centigrade over most parts of Vidarbha, over some parts of Madhya Pradesh, and in isolated pockets of Gujarat state, Marathwada, Madhya Maharashtra, and West Uttar Pradesh. Yesterday, the heavy rainfall was reported at isolated places over Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. And yesterday, the hailstorm was reported at isolated places over Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, West Uttar Pradesh, and Marathwada. And yesterday, the thunder squall was also reported over Uttarakhand and West Uttar Pradesh. Today's main highlight are one is the fresh, uh, one is the fresh spell of heatwave conditions over the northwest India from 7th and over the central India from 8th of May, and another one is the formation of low pressure area over the South Andaman Sea on 6th of May. And this is the main chief synoptic features of today. So one is the fresh western disturbance which lies over the western parts of Afghanistan in the mid-tropospheric levels, and in the lower levels a cyclonic circulation lies over the northwest Madhya Pradesh, and from this area a trough is running up to the Kumorian area across the Vidarbha, Telangana, Rayalaseema, and Tamil Nadu, and an east-west trough is also running from this cyclonic circulation over northwest Madhya Pradesh up to the Meghalaya. And in the Bay of Bengal, a cyclonic circulation lies over the South Andaman Sea in neighborhood area. If you look into the weather forecast and warnings, so there will be the light to moderate rainfall at a few places, very likely to continue over the Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura during next 5 days. And there also will be the isolated thunderstorm and lightning activity over the region on 5th and 6th of May. And over the East India, there will be the light rainfall at isolated or few places, very likely over Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Sikkim, and Odisha during next 5 days. And over those areas, thunderstorm, lightning, and gusty winds also likely over on 5th and 6th of May. And under the influence of a fresh western disturbance, there will be the light rainfall at isolated places over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, and Uttarakhand during next 3 days, and thunder activity over the region during next 24 hours. And there also will be the isolated light rainfall over adjoining plains of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and West Rajasthan during next 24 hours. And if you look into the South Peninsular India, then because of the wind discontinuity over the peninsular India, there will be the light to moderate rainfall at a few places or many places with thunderstorm, lightning, and gusty winds very likely over Kerala and Mahe, South Interior Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Puducherry during next 5 days. And there will be the light rainfall at isolated places over coastal and North Interior Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana during next 5 days. Isolated heavy rainfall also likely over South Interior Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala during next 24 hours. And if you look into the Bay of Bengal, so a cyclonic circulation lies over the South Andaman Sea and neighborhood area. Under its influence, a low pressure area is very likely to form over the same area on 6th of May. And this low pressure area is likely to move northwestwards and intensify into a depression during subsequent 48 hours. Because of this system, there will be the heavy to very heavy rainfall over the Andaman and Nicobar Islands during 6th, 7th, and 8th of May, and heavy rainfall on uh, on 5th of May over the Nicobar Islands. And fishermen are also advised not to venture into the Andaman Sea during the next 5 days over southeast and east central Bay of Bengal during the 4 days, and over the into the west central Bay of Bengal on 8th and 9th of May. This is the weather warning in the color coded and graphical form. So yellow color warning has been given for the East India for the next 3 days because of the thunder activity, and yellow color warning is also given for the Northwest India for the next 24 hours because of the thunder activity are also likely over those areas for the next 24 hours. And you can download the you can follow us on our Facebook page, our Twitter page, our Instagram page, and our YouTube channel for more detailed weather information. Thank you.